This week we will meet Pam and her brother Tim. Pam and Tim have a cat named Finn. What will Pam and Tim do? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can find out what these characters do. The word is and. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. And. Cows and goats live on this farm. Say the word again after me. And. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. A-N-D. And. The letter A stands for the short A sound. A. Blend with me. A-N-D. And. Now skywrite the word and. A-N-D. Try to write it without looking. A-N-D. Are you ready for the next word? The word is find. Repeat the word after me. Find. Find. Help me find my keys so we can go. Say the word again after me. Find. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. F-I-N-D. The letter I stands for the long I sound. I. Blend with me. F-I-N-D. Find. Now skywrite the word find. F-I-N-D. Try to write it without looking. F-I-N-D. Are you ready for the next word? For. The word is for. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. For. For. I thanked my mom for her help. Say the word again after me. For. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. F-O-R. The letters O-R stand for the sound or. Blend with me. F-or. For. Now skywrite the word for. F-O-R. Try to write it without looking. F-O-R. Are you ready for the next word? The word is just. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Just. Just. He just got back from the store. Say the word again after me. Just. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. J-U-S-T. The letter U stands for the short U sound. Blend with me. J-U-S-T. Just. Now skywrite the word just. J-U-S-T. Try to write it without looking. J-U-S-T. Are you ready for the next word? The word is many. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Many. Many. There are many teachers in our school. Say the word again after me. Many. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. M-A-N-Y. In this word, the letter A stands for the short E sound, eh. The letter Y stands for the long E sound, E. Blend with me. M-A-N-E. Many. Now skywrite the word many. M-A-N-Y. Try to write it without looking. M-A-N-Y. Are you ready for the next word? The word is one. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. One. One. May I have one of those pencils? Say the word again after me. One. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. O-N-E. In this word, the letter O stands for the sounds W. The letter E is silent. Blend with me. W-N. One. Now, Sky, write the word one. O-N-E. Try to write it without looking. O-N-E. Are you ready for the next word? The word is she. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. She. She. The woman said she would let us go first. Say the word again after me. She. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. S-H-E. The letters S-H stand for the sh sound. The letter E stands for the long E sound. Blend with me. Sh-E. She. Now, Sky, write the word she. S-H-E. Try to write it without looking. S-H-E. Are you ready for the last word? The word is then. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Then. Then. I will go to the store and then come home. Say the word again after me. Then. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. T-H-E-N. The letters T-H stand for the th sound. The letter E stands for the short E sound, eh. Blend with me. Th, eh, n. Then. Now, Sky, write the word then. T-H-E-N. Try to write it without looking. T-H-E-N. Good job. Now let's read all the new words we learned together, starting on the first line. Ready? And, find, for, just, many, one, she, then. Now let's play with the sounds in words. I'm going to say a set of words. I will say yes if all the words begin with the same sound. If they don't, I will say no. Listen. 4 funny faces. Yes, I hear f at the beginning of all 3 words. 4 funny faces. Now you try it. Say yes or no if they all begin with the same sound. Running rabbit. Yes. Old brown boots. No. Silly silver snake. Yes. Deep dark cave. No. Fine flat fork. Yes. Remember that you know how to break words into their sounds. I'm going to name each of the pictures. Listen carefully to the sounds as I say in each word. Then say all the sounds you hear. I will do the first one. Boat. I hear b, o, t, b at the beginning, o in the middle, t at the end. Boat. B, o, t. Okay, it's your turn. Tell me all the sounds you hear in the word ball. Tell me all the sounds you hear in map. Tell me all the sounds you hear in bat. Tell me all the sounds you hear in cape. Tell me all the sounds you hear in kite. All right, let's do some more with these words. I'll say the word and you tell me the sounds you hear. Keys. Tell me the sounds you hear in peas. Tell me the sounds you hear in pool. Tell me the sounds you hear in maze. Tell me the sounds you hear in mule. Let's do some more. This time I will move one tile for each sound you say. Listen. B. E, B. Okay, next word is few. Ew, few. The next word is 10. T, 10. The next word is hug. G, hug. The next word is low. O, O. The next word is pin. P, I, N. Now we also know how to blend sounds to say words. I will say each sound in a word and you blend the sounds to say the word. You can look at the tiles on the screen to follow along as I say the sounds. I will do the first one. G, E, S. What word did I say? That's right, geese. Okay, now you blend the sounds to say these words. The first one is it. G, m. At. Z, ip. E, o. Very good. Igloo begins with the short I vowel sound I. The letter I can stand for the sound I at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Look at the word in. Say it with me. In. The letter I is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and in is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Raccoon begins with the sound. The sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the sound is just the letter R. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the raccoon. Look at the word rib. Say it with me, rib. The letter R is a consonant. The letter I is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and B is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Fish begins with the F sound. The F sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the F sound is just the letter F. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the fish. Look at the word fit. Say it with me, fit. The letter F is a consonant. The letter I is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and T is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. You learned that the letter S can stand for the S sound, like at the beginning of the word sip. The letter S can also stand for the Z sound at the end of words. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the zebra. The underline is a space for one or more letters before the S. Look at it again. The consonant S at the end of words can stand for the Z sound. Look at the word is. Say it with me. Is. The letter I stands for the short I sound. What sound does the S in is stand for? Z. Read the word with me. Is.